What's going on, people? It's your boy Amps back going on the video. Right now, we're on the way to Croatia. Gonna be a movie with my dogs, and he's up top, but he's got so we ended up with roles to ourselves. We're running it up again. Either way, though, soon land. You just get the notification. So yeah, like and subscribe. We've got a movie coming for you guys. Yeah. Still got more trips for the year. I've got Thailand, Venice, Bilbao, towards the end. Yeah, there's more trips coming. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, we landed, we're safe. Heading over to the apartment now. I ain't gonna lie, place I was trying to balance it was crazy anyway. But yeah, check it out. Kilo, pizza. Check some light. Give me some light. Sir. Yes, sir. First thoughts?
You got me still.
Got
Me still. We're ready for the camera. Yeah, weather's nice. Peaceful town at the moment. We're gonna check what we can find out to see like where the clubs are, food spots, go on pizzeria right now. See how that goes. Did it like an interview?
Yeah, trying to hit one local pizzeria right now. Yeah, quick thing. Get some food, go back to the AAP, charge up my phone a little bit more, and then we do it the road properly, you get me?
Wow, nice. It's like retirement home.
I wonder what that is. Fire. Whole face looking discombobulated. Hold on, check it out real quick.
It's got like this rum in that. Some kind of like, it's like berry tea.
Yeah, like, that sounds kind of nice though. You know, honey thing, honey pack. Major pause. Oh shit, they trying to set you up, man. Yeah, I feel like they came with that splat. Yeah, man. I don't know about the jalapenos or chilies in it.
What is it, crazy and that's
crazy, innit? Bro decided he wanted to try 5-star spice. Let's see what's going on.
Brutal 5-star chili.
Try the thing, bro.
See what they say. For that,
It's not even out.
yeah, man. Bro, I'm in Jamaica. Got me scared for a second.
John tired of the passport, the yellow one. Trying to get my drone out right now, and it's like, I gotta be mindful of the birds though. To try to take me out of the game. But yeah. But yeah, so just I got liquor.
Do you want to try something?
Rum tasting, yeah. No, I like your setup in here, you know. I like.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, I like.
For you?
Thank
Sorry, you're really beautiful. Sorry. You free?
No, I would like to ask how much for this?
10 euro.
Not 5.
It's so
Fire,
Yeah, it's so. It's same like this one.
Slightly
Just
annoyed
in this
about the
little-
bossy, but this would have bust down still.
how much for the
4.
Let me see something good.
4.
This is nice, huh?
You want to try another one?
Let me try. Ooh. Did I drop something? Oh, okay. I thought I dropped it.
But can I buy this piece?
Tasting.
Yeah.
That's the best one. That's the best one.
Let's mix with this one now.
It's your
This one's
third
good.
time to say it's best one. So
You know what it is? You're getting better and better when you roll them out. You know
now
what
you
I'm
just
saying?
drink something so
roll-
everything can start to be better. Yeah.
No, that's genuinely the best one though.
You
See,
start with this one, so this is very strong.
but I like my rums. I really like my rums and my whiskeys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying.
I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see.
yeah.
Don't try. Easy.
You're embarrassing from there, man. Yeah, we out here just trying, man. You know what I'm saying? That was like the local joints.
It takes 3 years to make this one.
3 years to make.
3 years, yeah.
See what I'm saying? 3 años before you even get
You
to
make
the...
some content or something? You make some videos? You just hold the camera or something? I understand.
I like this. This one's got a smoky taste to it. Yeah. It's from the
But you
barrels.
need to
So
take
it's
one,
smoky.
yeah.
That looks proper, I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Same, but. ER.
Eat up to the well, bro. I heard that one in years, man. Okay. Yo, this one's looking serious, though. Check it out. Yeah. This one looks cooked. Let's do first check. Yeah, can't lie, your steamed fish gets good stuff. It's crazy. This beef just melted straight through them. Yeah, this is not boss though. So I couldn't tell you exactly what this is. I'm have to relook at the name here. It's a traditional Croatian food. Yeah, you might give the spot a shout out. Yeah. Man, I'm ready to support the king, you know. Yeah. Yeah, give it a shout out, bro. Where we at? Where are we right now?
Zadar, Croatia.
Yeah.
In Zadar, ice cream place.
Yo,
Yeah.
ice cream's fire, you know. I don't even let them lie to you, man. Just had a nice meal, so obviously dessert thing, you get me?
This is what I did. What like a spanker now. This is a gold.
Oh my god, I'm with Dude Dennis. Safe start of the day. Some ice cream and thing. You get me? Just cruising through the old town. Right there. Man, nah, watch me lick ice cream. Crazy, why for that? Yeah, but yeah, we started off the day with some ice cream and thing. Now we're just cruising, you get me?
Always love to disappear behind one of them.
Like in the movies. Alright, cool. We're outside, fully outside now. Finished man's ice cream and them things there. So, I'm gonna go hit the bus stop. They got a free bus to the shopping centre, you get me? Then we're gonna go to that mad thing called the Supernova. You get me? So, we're about to go sweep down on that. Alright, shit. It's basically the Galleria, man. Basically the Galleria. Replay, yeah? Say nothing. Say nothing. This. Oof. Didn't even see that on the back. Yeah, no, that's alright still. That one's right, alright. Yeah, man just pulled up to the what shop over here, but I can't even lie. Hold on, let me ask her if she can say it for me. Excuse me. Would you be able to shorten it for me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Watch is nice, Red Boy. Watch is nice.
Better?
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Like that.
And this one is yours.
This one's my one.
Here is date and our. Ti čekaj, da ti kažem šifru,
Ajde. And put in box.
You will pay with the cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Take care.
Nice day.
One like a baddie in a little bit. Need me one of these? No.
T-shirt, 2024.
You get me? We outside, but
Show them the view, bro.
look at the thing, man. Look at the thing, man. Oh yeah, chat about. Yeah, the marine. This is a mini one still.
The harbors.
Get me. Looking at Zagreb bar, yeah, but they're closed. No day drinking over there. Got this beautiful park here. About to fly the drone over it. Get some shots. We're going for the pasta one for lunch. I got the seafood pasta. He got the mushroom pasta. Fitting in and out. You get me? Trying to find a motive for tonight. So I want to just chat to the locals, see what's going on. You get me? Spot we just pulled up those nice. Thank you. So at me that way. No, come back here. Safe. So it's a 2-man step.
First day out.
Kind of find a young bar and things to go to. You get me? You got a young recommendation of a lovely lady at the restaurant earlier. And you get me?
Catch me outside later.
Hey there. This is the red building still. And then she said, "Boss, alright, okay." So we're low key, halfway there.
Chick-fil-A is busy, but
Yeah, outside.
I should be here to drink things.
And we say first impressions of this location.
Yeah, it's great.
Crazy, you know.
Need some purposely yellow lighting, dark chairs, marble table. 20 racks over there, 20 racks. Oh, got the bar, don't look the bottles and boom.
Yeah, tight shit. Can't lie. Price is cushy. Service was excellent. Roll serve man in under. That's good. Get me? Yeah, bro's cooling, but listen to me, and listen to me good. If you are ever in Zadar, Croatia, we highly recommend. Deja Bar and Pub, yeah? This is the spot anyway. This place is lit, yeah? This is the spot, yeah? We highly recommend Deja Brew, yeah? We highly recommend. The vibes is lit, the drinks is fire, the price is cheap, yo, we out. That's not a pub, fam, that's fire, but that's, yo, listen, thing is a bar and a vibe, you get me? It's not Deja Vu, you know, it's Deja Brew, you get it? The same drink as before, they knew what they was doing, yeah? Highly recommend.